I used to believe that if I was good to people, they'd be good to me. That if I showed loyalty, I'd get the same in return. But life doesn't work that way. Some people will take your kindness for granted. They'll mistake your patience for weakness. They'll use you, drain you, and then act like you never existed. And that's fine, because I've learned that the ones who truly matter will never put me in a position where I have to question their intentions. So I stopped chasing. I stopped explaining. I stopped trying to prove my worth to those who were too blind to see it. Now I move differently. I protect my peace. I choose my circle carefully. And I never ever beg for a place in someone's life. Because at the end of the day, I'd rather walk alone than be surrounded by fake love.